Okay, let me open my messy hair first. Like literally it's so messy. I haven't done anything since I washed it. This will be the color. Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's 2nd of November. Finally, it's November because it's my birthday month. So I'm going to color my hair. So this time I'm doing it a bit early. If you want to see like which color I have applied previously, you can go open the description box and you can find all the hair coloring videos in a playlist, and you can see which hair color I have applied before this color. You will see me using lots of different colors. Okay, so my hair looks like this. As you can see, I have washed a few days ago, so yeah, it's literally dry and I haven't applied any product on my hair. So this is how the color is. I don't know if you can see it or not, but like it's kind of brown at the bottom here, but it's kind of reddish brown as you can see in camera. And yeah, this part you can see it's like not perfect, you can see. So like I have used some browns like blondes on my hair, but I didn't bleach. If I had bleached my hair before applying the previous colors I have used, my hair would be like different, not like this, but I didn't bleach my hair at all, so that's why my hair is nice. Like it's my natural hair, as you can see. My natural hair is literally very curly and it was very frizzy, but now it's kind of okay. It's not that frizzy because I have been taking care of my hair a lot and I haven't been using bleach on my hair at all. Like I have used so many colors in my hair, but I stopped using bleach a long time ago. That's why my hair is really good. And I'm going to be using this color today. This is by L'Oreal, their Casting Cream Gloss No Ammonia Conditioning Color. So this is 426 Auburn. As you can see, this is the color and I just want it, I think it will go well with my current color, and I will be applying this color on all over my hair. So you can see this is how the hair color will turn out if your hair is something like this, something like this, and something like this. So my hair is all of this above, I think, and bit lighter than this, I think. At this part, I think, I don't know if you can see now. I think the lighting is very bad here, but it's kind of brown, not reddish brown. And I got 2 of this in case, okay. I wanted red, but I didn't like the bright red. It's so cute. So I think if I do this will be good, but I don't know whether my hair will turn out like this or not. That's why I got 2 packets. Okay, it came with the instruction. You definitely have to read this. And the developer. Some gloves, and the color 426, and this casting cream gloss conditioner with honey. So this will be the color. So yeah, I just finished coloring it. As you can see, I have colored to all my hair from roots. Yeah, I just can't wait to see the result. Like, you all are excited. I can see the color is developing here, and literally it's bit of a change this time. I just like that rosy kind of color. Literally, that's my favorite color, I will tell you. So I'm going to see if I can achieve that color with one box, or I have to redo it. I already have another box. So I'm going to just see the result. And like, my hair had like 3 tones: dark brown, light brown, and also it was kind of reddish brown at some places. So I think this color will cover everything up properly, and I can't wait to see the result. Let's see, and then we are going to like decide what to do next. Okay, so keep on watching and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for always supporting me. Okay, so like, it's been 2 hours, so now I'm going to wash my hair. It's recommended you just keep it for 30 minutes, but like on my hair, in 30 minutes there will be not much difference, so that's why I leave it for more than 2 hours. So I applied 10:30 a.m. and now it's 12:43 p.m. so it's more than 2 hours. So I'm like kind of thinking of washing it now and styling, and then like showing it to you all. Let's see the result. Do you all want to see the result? I know you do. Just do it, bitch. I know that's what you all are saying at the moment. Oh my gosh, I just love this hair. And yeah, I'm loving it. As you can see, like literally I just love it. Like, it's not too dark, but I just love the contrast. I just wanted my hair color like this, and finally I have achieved. I styled my hair today just because I was doing this video, or else I wouldn't have done it. Just to show you all exactly how it looks when it's dry and styled. Yeah, it came out really well. As you all saw, my hair was a little bit dark and light at certain places, and also kind of reddish brown too at certain places. Just gorgeous. Let me go out and show you all how it looks. Okay, I'm outside, so let's see if I can show properly. I hope you can see it. I'm in the sunlight, but I don't know if you can see it or not. And literally, I love this color so much. I think you can see it. It's gorgeous. Thanks.